Zayn Malik haircut. The Zayn Malik hairstyle has skyrocketed in popularity ever since One Direction exploded onto the pop scene in 2010. And with his recent departure from 1D, a close eye has fallen upon Zayn Malik's haircut and fashion choices as he tries to rebrand himself from his boy band image. Zayn's definitely been up to the challenge, trading in his characteristic long hair to experiment with buzz cuts, quiffs, fades, and various hair colors. Zayn Malik's new hair is still growing out from his buzz cut, and it's anyone's guess what his next hairstyle will be given the versatility of his hair. The Zayn Malik haircut. For now, check out some pictures of Zayn Malik's haircuts and hairstyles over the years. Our collection is a complete guide to Malik's short and long hair, starting from when he first became a famous celebrity.